Good day, everyone. You're welcome to this week's Business and Investment Tips program, a production of Christ Church Radio with Ayodeji Ebo, an investment professional. This week, the focus is on the concept of cost averaging and its importance to long-term investing. To build wealth over time, investing must be long-term and consistent. Ideally, investors will prefer to invest during the best time, basically when asset prices are cheapest. Similarly, investors will prefer to sell when asset prices are highest, just before they start falling. But this strategy is hard to achieve because no investor can truly time the market. As such, cost averaging, also known as dollar cost averaging, is an investment strategy that is a formidable alternative to timing the market. Dollar cost averaging can be adopted by investing a regular amount consistently, monthly or quarterly, as opposed to a one-off lump sum investment. By adopting this strategy, you are spreading out your entry points and will potentially achieve a lower average cost price, as it is not every time the market is on an upward trend. This concept is most applicable to more volatile investments like stocks, exchange-traded funds, or mutual funds, rather than fixed income investments. A practical example. Suppose you invested 10,000 Naira in Zenith Bank at the end of each month in the last 6 months, that is December 2021 to May 2022. You would have bought Zenith at 25 Naira and 15 kobo, 26 Naira and 5 kobo, 27 Naira and 10 kobo, 22 Naira and 40 kobo, 24 Naira and 50 kobo, and 23 Naira and 85 kobo respectively. And your average 6 months purchase price will be 24 Naira and 84 kobo. If you had invested the whole 60,000 Naira in December 2021, your cost will be 25 Naira and 15 kobo. Also, if you had used a similar concept for the purchase of Facebook shares, now Meta Platforms Inc., in the last 6 months with a monthly investment of $50, that is, assuming fractional shares, the prices at the end of the last 6 months, that is December 2021 to May 2022, were $336.35, $313.26, $211.03, $222.36, $200.47, and $193.64 respectively. Your average cost will be $246.18. This provides you with more potential upside when the market returns to a bullish trend. This also applies to exchange-traded funds and mutual funds due to the fluctuations in their prices. Even if you're sometimes lucky to have an investment at a low and attractive entry price, this is unlikely to be replicated consistently over the long term. And in the period of waiting to invest a lump sum, you can miss out on incredible opportunities or end up paying a higher cost when you eventually invest. Advantages of cost averaging. Cost averaging helps you reduce the likelihood of a panic when market conditions are unfavorable or when the economy is in a recession. On the other hand, you would also avoid a situation where you invest all your funds when prices are significantly high. 2. Cost averaging makes you consistent and disciplined in investing and helps you build your portfolio over a long period of time. You can set up auto-invest on platforms that have the features where you allocate a certain amount monthly to be invested in some particular stocks. 3. This investment strategy can also help investors average out share price swings and lower your per share cost. Given that you buy more shares when prices are low, this generally creates a situation where the average cost per share is lower than the average share price. Please note that you need to carry out proper research on the stocks, mutual funds, or ETFs you want to invest in before you apply the cost averaging strategy. These are most applicable to stocks and funds with strong fundamentals and prospects. One of the legendary value investors, Warren Buffett, has suggested that the best holding period is forever. This strategy does not apply to active investors or traders who are looking at buying low and selling high in the short term. Cost averaging takes a conservative investment approach and provides the edge you may need to meet your investment goals. Thank you for listening. Please join us same time next week for another exciting and insightful session. For questions, comments, and feedback, kindly forward to info@getfinanceandinvestmenttips.com or send SMS to 0708 246 3747. Stay blessed.